All right. Let's be clear. I believe today is gonna be fucking technical. So let's start. I already started 12 hours ago, but we need to keep going. I'm quite in the darkness, right? Yeah, it's one of those days of realizing things that I need to fix. So the situation right now is I'm starting for CRETE to investigate about using voxels for the procedural generation, at least the first layer of the levels. And while this is pretty exciting and can offer a lot of options for the procedural worlds, it is not fully supported right now, and can bring more problems than advantages in the long run. So I need to go through a couple of caveats and corners to be sure that this is gonna be scalable and make a decision depending on the results. One of the bugs I found, so this is a voxel world. So I got here the second character. If I find where the hell, okay, it's there. Oh, nice. Wait a second. They are born from hell. Let me try again. Okay. So one of the initial problems I'm having, it is related with the replication. So the yellow part is voxel generated. The green part is from the persistent level. So if I visit this area here and I jump, it's working. Okay? And everything keeps replicated as expected. In the moment I dash, boom, I disappear. And now this is most likely related with one of the workflows I've been doing to have a very responsive combat on network multiplayer, which is using loose game plugs. Loose gameplay tags. Loose game plugs, that's cool. Loose gameplay tags in order to activate different root motion animations for jumps, dashes, sprints, attacks, and so on. So that's the problem. That's one of the problems. I need to check a couple of extra abilities to see what is the real situation. How many times I use this workflow in order to see if I need to find a way around to keep the voxelization using these features, or I need to find other ways of creating generated worlds, at least for the base. I have many options. Right now the world generation is good, but I think I could push it a bit more with voxels. Let's see if it's gonna work or not. The next thing I want to check is to buy a melee, go here. Yeah, this is gonna be impossible. Even my sword disappears. It's fucking crazy. Even my sword disappears after a bit of time by relevancy. So I guess this is because the world is not replicating Yeah, I can imagine easily what could be happening here. So that's kind of problematic. Well, I mean, that's super problematic, not kind of problematic. It looks like a proper headache. It's a shame. It's a shame. I need to think. I think I know what is the trigger of all the issues. And if it is that, I think I'm gonna say no temporarily to that. So I'm gonna go to characters, hero abilities, melee. And if I find something yeah, if I find something in this melee, actually it's not this one, it's melee parent, that grabs my attention, I don't want to use this anymore. There we go. This could be the problem. So for the sake of testing, I'm gonna try this, but I already don't like what I'm seeing here, because it's not fair. And yeah, it's gonna check for a loose gameplay tag. This is really painful. Let me see. So I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna buy a melee. And then once I'm here, but now it takes more time. It's not in the moment I do it. I'm gonna do just a quick experiment. I'm gonna temporarily remove all this shit. And let's try this again. I'm gonna buy. It's a shame, man. I really don't like that. It is fascinating that happens when the ability ends. So the animation runs, and let me see what is on end ability. We are going. I don't like this. I don't like this. Let's try to instead this. And this, out of curiosity, just to put in the corner the potential issue. But I just don't like that it's so finicky. There we go. There we go. So we know is there the problem. Hey, hello Music Tube, hello Romel de la Cruz Sanchez, how are you? We know the problem is there. Now we need to be sure what could be. I got different candidates. One of them is actually this one. So let's do this like this. I don't need this anymore. I'm gonna remove it. I'm gonna put this like this. It's gonna be interesting if it's that. So wait a second. It's not that. So most likely is this. Are you kidding me? So if I connect this here, okay, let's see, let's keep investigating. As I said, today is gonna be a bit technical. Oh wow. Crazy. Fucking crazy. I don't like it. I like it partially, but I don't like that I don't see the pattern. Sometimes the issue is one thing, sometimes the issue is other thing. That doesn't make any sense. So apparently the issue is just, could be just this guy? No, I don't believe so. Okay, so in that case, we need let me just control set all this crap. So you are telling me that, let me just also go to the hero character here. Okay, everything is connected. So if I do this and I do this, what will happen? What will happen? There are different things going on. That's problematic. That's stupid, problematic, dumb, you name it. Let's avoid every single change of authority. The references, I hope I don't have anything crazy. No, because okay, I don't know why not doing this. Okay, let's try that. I hope I'm able to find the exact issue and it's not a conglomerate of I think I found it. If I dash now, boom, I disappear. Let's fix the dash. Man, if I fix this, I would be really, really happy. Because, you know, we built something cool from here. So, out of curiosity, I'm gonna try to fix the jump. So the jump now works like this, but I want to change this jump to the original jump, and I'm gonna delete these guys, which are the offenders, the motherfuckers that I think they are breaking everything. Let's try the jump. Wait a second. That's it. Looks like it's working. Looks like it's working. A bit. So they're gonna be these motherfuckers. Wow. That's interesting. So I want to, as a last important check before I jump into the entire thing, let's fix the jump a bit more, because now, yeah, I need to wait for this, then ends the ability, so it launches the character, release, and then keeps launching the character. Let me see if that's fixed. I was experimenting so much that I changed the workflow of the jump. Yeah, looks like. It's a bit of erratic behavior. I didn't. I don't know if I got that behavior before. Nice, it's good. Okay, so that's working. Apparently, we moved. Hey, Mango Agro, how are you? That's working. The last test before jumping into the real shit is gonna be to put AI and see that if the AI goes stupid, what is the situation, you know? So let's take this one, for example, and let's see. Okay, come here. It's having some issues. No. Fuck. I guess it's because navigation mesh. Something on is gonna. Yeah, no navigation. Okay, that's fair. So I guess that's something I can fix here. Let's go to the class. And let's go to I guess general seeds and create word. No. Collisions, enable nav mesh. A bit of extra documentation would be fucking amazing. Okay, compute visible chunks. If false, use on invokers nav mesh settings. I hope this builds nav meshes. No, this is not a nav mesh. I guess it's gonna jump. Yeah, it's confused. It's using the nav mesh of the. It's using the nav mesh because the underneath mesh, but there is no nav mesh here. Because if I remove this, So this cleans the navigation mesh there. So now now basically he will see me, but he can't walk. So now, basically he was projecting the navigation mesh underneath. So I need to find a way of building navigation meshes there. So let's put this back as was before. I guess there we go, navigation mesh building up. Correct. Hey, thank you, Mango. Thank you so much. Today's quite technical. Maybe I play a bit the game in 30 minutes or something like that, but right now I need to find a couple of things that they are relevant. Navigation mesh. I don't know why it's not building up the navigation mesh. Maybe because it needs an update. I really don't know. And why if I put this here, enable nav mesh, compute visible chunks nav mesh. Do not merge collisions on nav mesh. If true, additional meshes with normal chunk size will be spawned only for collisions on nav mesh. Visible nav mesh max LOD. What the fuck are you talking about? Compute visible chunks nav mesh. If false, use on invokers nav mesh settings. Oh, wait a second. I think the way this is done, let's go to the hero character. I made 100 characters here to test shit. Nav voxel invoker. Voxel invoker nav mesh. Yes, I want to create a nav mesh, but I don't like this because I really want to build it and update it. Let's see. Wait. Oh, it's building the nav mesh. No, don't kill me, man. Dude. Joder, tío. If you kill me, I can't test shit. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's play with one and let's play on standalone. So I can test this better. Yeah, that's navigation. But I don't like this system. I don't want to use invokers. No, I don't want to use invokers. You see these glitches? It's fucking crazy. No. No, you see, is not the way. This is not how it should be done. Not for this kind of game. You see, it's loading constantly. I really don't want that. No. So do I need I have different theories of how to do this. Let's start testing in the boxer world here. Compute visible chunks nav mesh, whatever that means. It's doing the same. I'm invoking. I don't want to invoke. I want you to build. No, I don't want this. I want you to build it. Second theory. Let's go to the voxel simple invoker. It's like high res nav mesh. But why high res? How can I control the resolution? I don't want invoker to call the nav mesh. Okay. Why still building? Okay. This is moving, but not because the nav mesh, it's because it's projecting. Come on. And why so... Okay, I would like to experiment with something. Joder, man, de verdad. It's incredible, eh? With no nav mesh. I mean, I'm proud of the system, to be honest. It's traveling this amount of shit without using a nav mesh, which is impressive. It's not gonna let me alone, man. Okay, let's remove the invoker. I don't want... The only thing, maybe... okay, another method could be if I remove the invoker here and in the boxer world I put an invoker of whatever, and then we say, hey, enable. So this means that maybe looks like yes. But there is something that But now at least, okay, I can consider that as an option. I can consider that as an option. So let's say that I got this one, what is the navigation mesh? Well, definitely we don't want to create anything there, neither there. Okay. So what I'm wondering is, this is the volume. Let's make it a bit smaller. Wow, we can save a lot of memory, and I didn't notice. What the hell? But why is still calculating there? Wait, what is going on here? What is going on? Oh, it's because this? Oh, I see. Okay. That should be valid there. Now sides we can stretch a bit. Okay, that's fine now. Now we got the voxel. I just need to see, and here we got this. Let's go to the blueprint. So we got this enable nav mesh, and then I use this invoker there. This is the part I don't get, like high res, I don't know. Do I want that? Ah, fucking spam, man. Yes, sure. Wow, I'm gonna leave the spam. I'm not gonna be fighting against the stupidity. Okay. Oh no, they killed me. Okay. I see. And it's creating navigation mesh underneath? It is. I don't like that. What? Stop killing me. So the voxel world, if we put it there, okay, it creates nav mesh on top. We are going to the right direction. So we go here to details and we put this in 0, 0, 0. So now I'm trying to discover oh, I see. Okay, let's imagine for a second that this is the world, just for the sake of testing. So let's put this not in 0, 0, 0. Let's put this 300, 1000. I don't know. And this has no, this doesn't have navigation mesh. We are in the same situation than before. Oh, maybe yes, because this fella here. Wait a second, dude, what the fuck are you talking about? It's a bit buggy for multiplayer then. So why in this square? I think it's relying on this. So if I put here 5, I imagine that, yeah, that now has everything has navigation mesh there, which means that, yeah, it's a bit buggy because I got that unchecked. If I do this now, I guess it's by default, like, I don't know, I need to check it. Okay, we can do it like that. Okay. So right now I only have one seat. I'm not gonna play around with more seats. Hey Morango, how are you? I like your emoji. It's your signature. Okay, so before playing with seats, let me just bring this guy as client and playing here to see if we detect problems. Well, okay, this is not a problem per se, I believe. Yeah, this is loading the navigation mesh in the background. I can feel that because the CPU is asking me for resources. But yeah, that's loaded. Joder, tío, don't kill me, man. Yeah, I'm not doing bad. I'm just in a kind of technical crossroads to decide where to go and how much I want to push the procedural generation, considering voxel for networking that is not quite supported in general, and it's a bit dangerous lands, but depending on different tests I'm doing, I'm gonna make a decision. Where is our friend? Oh, I broke something in the jump. Okay, our friend is having a bath. Okay, come. Let's try to... just don't kill me, please. If you don't kill me... Okay, just keep going. Can I jump there? No. Okay, that's cool. Okay, collision works as expected. That's also good news. Yeah, let's see. Man, oh, there. Oh, but he needs to follow me. Come on, come with me. We can be friends. Okay. Come on. Yes, good boy. So if I bring it here, this... Okay, we got a problem. I knew it. Nah, it's not gonna be possible to use this. Yeah, everything is so wrong. You think it's gonna... coordinates. No, it's not about that. The AI works pretty well with jumping outside navigation meshes, and this is about the network voxels. You see, it's completely out of sync. He thinks I'm there for a reason, because I think the procedural mesh is not registered properly on network. Like the coordinates are wrong. Yeah, it's synced, because if I do, this is basically server and this is client. What is not synced is a little bit more on the back end. A little more close to the metal in terms of programming, I would say, from the voxel generation. In the moment I touch floor, he knows what is my coordinates in the world. But it's interesting because when I touch this, even the projectiles don't affect me, and he now thinks I'm in another place. Even this is not correct. But it's interesting, it's quite interesting. Yeah, but I mean, definitely this is a deal breaker. I knew this was not going to be possible as it's happening right now. Yeah, he's quite confused. What about these guys? Okay, so this guy knows about me, but doesn't know about me. Yes. Yeah, it's confused. It's as simple as inside, outside. I would like just to bring this guy inside. Yeah, they are not aiming properly. Oh. Yeah, this is very scary. This is very scary. Normally you can take characters and move it around, but this shows that something is going on. Yeah, you see? Something is going on there. Yeah, server client and the same. So it's not about that. I think it's the network replication of the voxel procedural generation. Like the coordinates maybe on memory are different, or yeah, this guy. Yeah, this. Yeah. But if I go here, then he starts to recognize. Nice. However, oh, careful. I'm gonna move now, but let's do a little experiment. Rather than dashing, I'm gonna avoid dashing. I think that it's a kind of client authority synchronization when I do specific abilities. So I'm gonna try just to jump, only jump. Don't kill me, please. Don't kill me fast, please. Wow, that was weird. Okay, let me try again. It's just because it's ticking. And while it's going so slow, many things can happen. I want to be sure that this is tested properly. I'm gonna wait for the nav mesh to end. This should be quick. Hey, hi to Japan. You are the guy of the other day, right? Sorry for all the spam on YouTube. Maybe on Twitch is a little bit cleaner chat. Okay, so now we are gonna jump to the... I want just to make noise. Okay, now let's go there. I think, let's see. He's erratic though. He knows more. Yeah, no, it's broken. I should expect this. Yeah. It's interesting. The direction they are aiming is 0, 0, 0. They are aiming to the center, to the origin of the world. Not the projectile, because they are looking for the controller. It is actually, it's fascinating. Yeah, it's fucked up. Sad. This is not gonna be an option right now. That's why I kind of, it's not smart to use this voxel thing for multiplayer right now as it is, because one of the first things you can see in the documentation is this red thing: multiplayer is unstable and should not be used. Support cannot be provided for it. There is no guarantee this will improve in future releases. Yeah, but now there is no random number. It's not seeded. It's just static. There are so many caveats. If you work on the base level, yes, this will work. But in the moment you start using client authority, stretching a bit the network predictions for root motion, rotation of root motion, using loose gameplay tags to predict dashes and jumps on very bad conditions of network. You are engineering network. You really don't know how they are doing in their back end their own stuff, and I think there is a mismatch between the workflows I'm doing for my own systems and their own system, and I think in that crossroad is where the problems are happening. Like, one of the things I'm noticing is when I change client authority for specific reasons, things get desynchronized, which shouldn't happen. So that tells me that something is going on under the hood that for some reason I don't understand well, doesn't like to get desynchronized. I do that on purpose because I have the value on memory of every single hierarchical static mesh. But with voxels, apparently they think the AI thinks I'm in 000. Even the replication, the problems I got before, I disappeared. I didn't disappear. I just teleported to 000 when I deactivated the server authority for just a fraction of a second for dashes, for very quick movement that you want to deactivate the synchronization of the character component checks, because otherwise it's gonna be laggy or rubber banding, and you don't want that. And when I use those features that I got for CRETE is when the problems of the voxel walls happened, which tells me obviously they are not going to support this. They are very clear with this. Support cannot be provided, so it's not smart to consider this at all for CRETE. I have another option though, to do voxel and procedural meshes. And I will try tomorrow, which is using the multitask tasks to make voxels and dual marching cubes, and that should work as well, and it's less overkill, and most likely if it's just using the procedural mesh component, should be way more robust, at least for this specific case. But yeah, I just wanted to test it. Okay, clearly it's gonna be a no, at least at this moment. I'm a little bit sad about that, because I thought I'm close, but obviously if I play as a standalone, everything should work. Let's wait for the... Okay. Okay, now I need to find... Fucking hell. Okay. Huh. No, but I think it's working. Yeah. They just found there was a ramp there or something. Yeah. And the nav mesh is there. I want these guys to kill each other. Uy. Anyway, yeah, bye to... Yeah, they are taking the long way around. It's again, you see, I would need to build a full system about the voxel world, and I don't want to do that right now, to be honest. So, with all my sadness, let's go back to the thing that I know that works, which is this guy. I just need to check that everything is okay, because I changed many things to test this, that I hope I didn't break anything specific. Okay. Trees, grass. So what I want to do, because I'm gonna just do a couple of checks here and there today, I'm gonna play the game like 10 minutes, 20 minutes, because I got a pack game of today build. Was actually fun. We played in multiplayer. Everything worked, so that was pretty good news. Yeah, now it's asking me for validation shit, and I don't know why, but yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna be back in a couple of minutes, and let's try that. Hey, Vinny Guerrero, I'm seeing your question now. Hey there, one question. How do you detect if the enemy hit will actually be the final hit for that slow die montage effect? How do you detect if the enemy hit will actually be the final hit? You mean if is how do I know if they is dead already? Yeah, I don't understand exactly what do you mean? I'm gonna start playing the game. I can maybe do a bit of commentary things. I hope volume is good. This is the daily one. I'm gonna put the music down. Again, there is no loading screen, it's gonna be the level being generated. But in the meantime, I can try. If the enemy will kill you with this, next hit, I mean, basically what you do is every hit you check if your health is less than 0. If in that hit is less than 0, means that you are dead. So you check constantly your health, always. Every single time there is a hit, you just check the float or the attribute, and if it's less than 0, you are dead. Basically, that's what you do always, constantly. You can even predict it, but that's like a big topic there. Predicting death is something that you don't want to do, because then enemies can come back from death and you can come back from death, and you don't want to do that. It's like frustrating or weird, but some games do this. You want to predict hits, but you don't want to predict death or knockdowns, for example. Things like they are gameplay related, you don't predict it. But yeah, for if the enemy will kill you with this next hit, you really don't know how it's gonna hit or what it's gonna use, but you just check the damage, and if it's less than 0, death. And you play the ragdoll or the animation or anything you want. Okay, I'm gonna use my new auto smasher. I really love it, so I'm gonna go for that one. And I guess I can use this. Okay. So one new feature is the little puzzles. I call them puzzles. They are not exactly puzzles, but I think they are kind of interesting. Yeah, how can I see both chats? Because I got the YouTube and yeah, exactly the same thing. It's exactly the same thing. You check all the time there is a change of health. If it's multiplayer, you can do a on rep notify. Every single time there is a change, you check the final value. Oh, health. That's a nice catch. So let me see if I find one of the puzzles. Oh, thank you so much. Vini Guerrero, muchas gracias. Okay, so I don't find puzzles, I don't know why. Let's go down. Oh, that's one. Yeah, but this is what color? Oh, this is white color. I don't know why there is only one puzzle. Very bad. Oh no. Alright, I did it. Oh no, shit. He killed me in the... He killed me in the cinematic. That's so... I need to fix that shit. I forgot to fix that shit. That's stupid. Do you use any CI/CD process for build generation? What is CI/CD? I'm not aware of that term. CI/CD? Hey. Okay, this is a problem. When I need to fix it. Oh no, come on, man. For the procedure generation, automated pipelines for packaging. I really don't get it, being completely honest with you. Like automated pipelines for packaging. I guess the answer is no. Because I'm not aware of that. You mean, sorry, for build generation? No. I just go manual. No, I go just manual. I use Steam right now, basically, and I just upload my own branch from Steam, and I do that manual from Unreal Engine. I pack the game, I do a new version, I change the build code, and that's pretty much it. I mean, if we scale the game at some point, it's better to keep track and build this kind of pipelines. But to me right now, having a new version of the game in a different branch or package takes me literally 10 minutes. So, not right now. Super manual. Manual because again, takes me 10 minutes. Basically, packing the game right now is around 5 minutes, and uploading to Steam in my beta branch is another 5 minutes, and that's it. We are very small. Most of the cases is just me developing, concept artist. Take that. I don't want to open this, but maybe have to. Oh, nice. But I'm not gonna be able to open this door. I need to fix the grass around this shit. That's lame. Very empty here, I don't know why. That's usually the center is busy. It doesn't look quite busy here. But I like how the walls are generated. Look at this spot. Oh, nice. Yes. Yeah, this is good. If no one is chasing me, I'm gonna go for mitral. I need to do the insights and that stuff, but yeah, this one is a very powerful gun. So in theory, around 150 DNA is when I can start opening a door. I need to keep the AI more, the pace of the AI more balanced, because these things are not finding now anyone. It's not good. This was I was here before, right? So let's try to open that shit there. I guess it's a white one. Blue one, okay. No, man. Okay, okay, I need to fix that crap. AI invading cinematics. How cool is that, eh? No, it's yeah, the AI is they are very annoying. No, what I need to keep is the number of AI constantly engaging combat. Why they are always close to me, man? No. Okay, yeah, I need to fix that. Basically, no. Oh, wow, cool. Yeah, I mean, everything exploded. Basically, no AI. No AI on the loading screen. and no AI in the middle of cinematics. Oh, we got a nice tower there. Oh, another one there. Okay, I'm gonna go for Biopiercer with wall, with finisher, breaker. Really? Okay, a knife. Does Steam provide you logs on players on current session? I'm using EOS and I'm not sure if it is because of sandbox mode, but I can't get connection logs of other players. I'm not completely sure. I would have to help, but no idea. Neither. Oh nice, it's a white one, so I can open this one. I don't pretend to fight this guy with melee, because my melee is a fucking knife. And until I get something better... Where is it? Yeah, they strafe. They don't go straight to you, they always, you know, sneak. This is gonna be a puzzle. Basically, you will be able to climb to the top. Right now, it's empty. It's like a new building that you bought, and it's very sad, and there is no even TV, and there is no sofa. But yeah, it's one of the towers, basically, that you will be able to climb. So it's all prototype. You have another one there, depending on the procedural. Sometimes you don't have towers, sometimes you have, depending on the pro generation. There is a totem there. Totem's gonna be able to be destroyed. Not yet. Basically, it's where the ancestors had the tanks of DNA. I'm going to the corner of the level, and I'm wondering here there is no way. Okay, let's try to go over there. Both time or area. I have a helper on my top, on top of the timer. You can see a number 30 and a number 29 and a number 1. 30 is the number of actual AI spawn. 29 is the cap, and that cap increases every 30 seconds. And 2 is the number of AI that they know about me. So yeah, it just gradually gets more difficult. But fuck that shit, man. No way. Yeah, they jump. That's something I work a lot to avoid, because it's procedural levels. I just need to cover my bugs in case AI gets stuck. They always find a way. I'm 98% of success most of the cases. They will find a way of, you know, even fighting or making you suffer. I can activate Lumen actually. This with Lumen. It's impossible. It's impossible. Yeah, you see, I bought a expensive range, so that makes me weaker with the melee. No me jodas. All right, I expected that. This is stupid. The problem was to don't take a proper melee weapon. I bought a wall that I didn't use a single time. No towers. Neither enemies close to me, which is good. So I'm gonna go with this gun, which is it's quite crazy. Doesn't make too much damage, but I think it's quite useful. Problem with this gun, apart of very bad aiming, is the recoil is crazy. So Hola, 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 hola. Man, he removed me too. Very bad start. Very, very bad start. I'm gonna put Lumen again. Yeah, Lumen, I don't know, sometimes looks better, sometimes not. It's depending on... Like now it's quite saturated. I think I prefer without Lumen. Yeah. Wow, look at that house in the top of the mountain. That's cool. Problem is I don't have... Yeah, maybe Lumen helps out here a bit. Yeah, you can see the FPS, I don't know, or maybe you can't, because the FPS are... yeah, let me just... You can see the FPS there. Okay. Whatever. Which is, this is without Lumen, 76, with Lumen 67. So yeah, there is a little bit of a hit of performance. And depending on the location is worse or better. Hey, thank you for following Lonely Seth. How are you? So I don't know, let me just go to for example here that we have 74 with Lumen, with Lumen 65, so 10 FPS more or less. I prefer, to be honest, the moody illumination. Yeah, that was badass. You think it's gonna jump here? He jumped. And now we got a problem. I'm gonna run away. Oy, 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 oy. They come. Mierda, mierda. I did it. I survived. The impossible. Hey, thank you so much, Lonely Seth. Oops, oops. I'm fucking stupid. I'm fucking stupid. While normal enemies remove you 1 of health, the big guys remove you 2 of health per hit, so you need to keep that in mind. And the bigger ones remove you 3 of health. And the bosses, some attacks remove you the full life. So yeah. That was a very stupid move, because I didn't remember the health damage. Joder, this fucking shit of having AI in the spawn is something I'm starting to hate a lot. Yeah, this is a loading screen, of course, but you know, come on. I have also this one. Tower, let's go. If this one is blue, I need to kill a blue one. So let's go. Oh, whoa, whoa. Wow. Oh my god. Easy, easy. No, with the joypad it's gonna be harder. I assume that because it's even the melee system works aiming. Crit is not gonna have auto lock. It's pure aiming. That's why the character rotates so fast. And all the scratches. So that with the gamepad is gonna be hard. I'm sorry, man. This gun is shit, I don't like it. Okay, maybe sometimes I like it. I need to go... Oh, that was an explosion. Oh wow. They start to know more about me. He tried. Joder, tío, the other guy fucking distract me. Yeah, thank you so much, Vinny, for being here. Yeah, I'm streaming most of the days, to be honest, so anytime you want to catch up, I will be around. I'm gonna play a couple of extra times, and that's pretty much it. Fucking stupid. Yeah, maybe it's the last one, let's see. Actually, just for the people that is around, I know we are not too much, but maybe worth to show it. Can show maybe a bit of the gameplay in multiplayer. Maybe it's this one. Yeah, so this is not this one actually, no, there's another one which is better. I guess the sound is very low. But yeah, this is today testing multiplayer. I was playing with Chris, my girlfriend was playing with Demian, and it works really nice. Very excited about how everything is working right now. So she always takes the mitral, which is a kind of a sniper gun. Also super excited about the FPS, 90 FPS with Nanite and Lumen here, I think, as well. I prefer to play with melee, that's why I got a cheaper gun. Oh, I think this was a cool moment actually, yeah. Because they start to come a lot. Yeah, that's an interesting moment. That we are split into parts, but then I decide to go to this one. Then explosion. Everyone dies. Yeah, that was cool. That was a nice fight. And I think here I screw it, because by error I killed her. Well, by error, yeah, accident. There. That was insane. That was very sad. I didn't rewatch this. I felt so bad that I didn't notice how he's flying. Oh my god, man. The side effects. Collateral damage. That was stupid because actually the guy was already dead. She killed her. Anyway, just a little bit of a silly moment that happened there. But yeah, the gameplay was really cool. Nice. That was a nice fight as well. Yeah, there's a lot of teamwork here and there. And what I'm really happy, I'm playing as a client here, so to me it's the responsiveness playing on network, and it's like snappy. There's a bit of client trust because it's not competitive, it's cooperative. So, oh yeah, nice. That was fucking cool actually. That was a nice one, right? Yeah, I'm trying to find some clips for a potential video. And I think this was a good fight overall. Yeah, that was a cool moment there of cooperation. This one is cool as well. It's cool, it's cool. It's cool when the AI goes to one player and you use him as a tank a bit. Temporary. To take the back which you create out of damage. That's actually cool. And the thing is, you can, commit the mistake of hitting the other player. So there's always like a little bit of risk if you aim bad to kill your friend trying to hit the other enemy from the back. But that's part of the big risk, big reward. That was a ninja move there. She plays good. I would say better than me, at least aiming. Melee, I know I play better than her, but in range she plays really good. Yeah, I think this is another cool moment. Yeah, here there is tension here. I'm 1 HP. I think she was also 1 HP. And they start to come from everywhere after she opens the door or something, yeah. Yeah. I mean, the idea is always to combine the breaker abilities with the finisher abilities. Is where you can take advantage. And here, the spear are both finisher abilities. So the plan is always that one of the players should notify, or I will bring some kind of cues to say to the second player, hey, I have my breaker ability ready. So you just execute the breaker ability and the second player execute the finisher ability, and then the magic happens. Explosions, fireworks, craziness. This is finisher. Yeah. Yeah, overall I'm pretty happy with the network replication and how using a lot of client authority things are way easier and simple in many ways. It's a shame that I can't use the voxel because some problems in the backend, but I might come back to there at some point, I guess. Okay, I'm gonna play one more time. Stop the multiplayer video and let's play for real. Just one time, last one. Let's buy sword breaker and range. Yeah, I'm gonna go for auto smasher. Fucking love it. All right. No one is in the area. This is red. There's another one there. Let's go to that one. Blue. So maybe, where are the enemies anyway? Let's see. Usually they come from the settlements, but I didn't see any settlement. Oh, there's a settlement there. Oh, hello. Health. I'm noticing a problem with the grass. Like here, yeah. What is going on there with the grass? I'm trying to understand what could be happening. Oh. I don't get it. Man, are you fucking crazy? Yeah, this is how it should look. I don't know why. What is this problem? It's actually with both grasses? Oh, I definitely need to investigate this. Oh, actually, I don't get it. I will check that. Anyway, I think that's gonna be all for today. Tomorrow I will keep working on the procedural generation. Maybe I start investigating a bit more voxels. But yeah, so far I'm pretty happy with the current state of the game. I never checked this. I think it's destroyed. No, no. Imagine that I kill someone. Wow. I'm strong. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Have a nice one. Take care. Bye.